Hi everyone, my name is Jorge. I'm from Chile. I live in Toronto. I'm an independent artist. I have been playing drums for the last 15 years with different artists from Chile, South America in general, and here in Canada. My Collision drumstick size is 2B. I think it's a little heavy, but it's perfect for me. They bring me more balance and dynamic range when I play, and that's it. It's perfect. I love the durability of this. I have been playing like the last 2 months with these drumsticks and it looks like completely new. Now I'm gonna play a song for a Chilean artist. The name is Vara. It's not a drum playthrough. It's a cover, but it's my friend, and that's it. I hope you enjoy it.